Hello everybody, my name's Pam Berrigan and I've been with the Scott Christensen Paint the Ocean group for about 2 years now. I highly recommend this course. It has lots of super information. I've never had lessons, so it's been terrific for me. Scott has produced video clips and also we're able to print out that same information into paper, which I use for reference material while I'm doing some of my own pieces. He talks about copyrights and how, if you want to become into a professional person yourself, what information that you need. He has supplied all that sort of stuff. It's taken years and years for him to gather that information, and he's condensed it down into something that we have straight away, which has been super effort on his behalf. I recommend this course to anybody who is interested in doing artwork, as it is easy to follow. Scott's an easy person to approach with questions, and I know he's an extremely busy person, but he does have time for you there. The group is very good. They help you with suggestions on your pieces as well, because this is my last piece. We take photos of our pieces, put it out there in amongst the group, and they help us to, work out whether we need to fix up things or not. It is possible to do painting even without all the tools that Scott has. I do not have the Photoshop program he talks about, so I just have my photos. I print it out in black and white, and then I use the old grid system to do my enlargements. So it's all possible. Scott's techniques are also suitable for any subject. Personally, I like painting animals. As you can see behind me, I have the seal here. And through doing Scott's course, I've found I've been able to do much better eyes because it has given me depth in those eyes. So I really recommend this course. It is applicable to any subject, to any person, professional or beginner, as I am. And you don't need a full-blown workshop. I use my kitchen table. My husband's not here through the week, so my kitchen table becomes my work area. So I really recommend it. It's money well spent. I've advanced a lot. My family says so, and my records of my own pictures say so too. Thank you very much, Scott, for putting this information together for us to use. And good luck everybody else with whatever you are producing, and have fun most of all. Thank you very much.